I'm tired, but I'm working, yeah.
I'm sorry to tell you this, but morning routines don't matter as much as you think they do. But here's what does.
You don't need another morning routine. You don't need to wake up at 5 a.m., drink celery juice, or meditate for an hour. Because here's the truth. If your mind is in survival mode, it doesn't matter what time you wake up. Your day will still feel like a battle. I've worked with founders, CEOs, and high achievers who had perfect routines and still burned out. Not because their mornings were wrong, but because their nervous system was running the day, not their calendar. When you start your day in a state of urgency, your brain wires itself for reactivity. So, even if you journal, drink water, and plan your top 3 priorities, you're still scanning for problems instead of opportunities. One of my private clients had a 6-step morning ritual she'd been doing for 3 years. It looked flawless on paper, but she told me, "I finished my coffee and I'm already exhausted, and I haven't opened my email yet." When we looked closer, the issue wasn't her morning habits, it was the state she was starting them in. Her body was carrying yesterday's stress straight into today. Here's the shift. Before you even think about productivity, take 90 seconds to reset your nervous system. That could be a breathing sequence, a physical reset, or one specific question I give my clients to flip their brain from protection mode into possibility mode. That 90 seconds will give you more ROI than any 5 a.m. wake up ever will. If you want to know the exact reset sequence I give my private clients, that's where we go deeper. Because the routine is never the real problem. It's the state you start in that determines how the rest of your day plays out.
Links in the description.